Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting oil perfume. We'll start by understanding the fundamental elements that contribute to a fragrance's staying power. You'll learn about selecting the right carrier oils, which are crucial for anchoring your scent, and why choosing premium essential oils is absolutely essential for a rich, enduring aroma. Let's dive right into the details. Next, let's talk about your ingredients and their proportions. For your carrier, consider using jojoba or fractionated coconut oil, as they are excellent choices. When selecting your essential oils, think about a balanced blend of top, middle, and base notes. A good starting point for your essential oil concentration is typically between 20 and 30% of your total mixture, ensuring a potent and lasting scent. Now, let's get to the art of blending for maximum longevity. Begin by adding your base notes to the carrier oil. These are the foundation of your scent and need time to develop, often several hours. Next, introduce your middle notes, which provide the heart of the fragrance, ensuring they harmonize with the base. Finally, gently incorporate your top notes, which offer the initial burst of aroma, completing your unique perfume. The final, crucial step for a truly long-lasting oil perfume is the curing process. After blending, allow your creation to cure for a minimum of 2 to 4 weeks in a cool, dark place. This maturation period allows the notes to fully meld and deepen. Always store your finished oil perfume in a dark, airtight glass bottle and apply it to your pulse points for the best scent projection and enduring aroma throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.